About the ingredient for our quick snack, we will need 1 big potato, cheese, mushroom, garlic, and bacon. For the seasoning, we're gonna need the coriander, onion, garlic sauce, sea sauce, and black pepper. After washing the potato, we're gonna put it into the microwave, medium high, for 3 minutes. With the garlic, I'm gonna put it to the small bag. Use this roller spin to heat it. So by the time the garlic is done, also the potato is done, we're gonna cut them into half, like this. Be careful because the potato is still super hot.
Now we use a knife and make a few cuts in the middle of the potato and make sure that you're not gonna cut them into pieces. We also do the same with the other half. Don't cut your hand. Move to the next step, we're gonna add the bacon on top of the potatoes. And the next layer is gonna be the garlic that we already smashed. Next step, we will add this layer of cheese. Mushroom is one of my favorite ingredients. That's why you can see I added into different dishes that I cook. And also don't forget the bacon that we haven't used, add it on top. Seasoning time. First, we're gonna add the garlic salt on top. Then, don't forget the dried onion. Next one, we're gonna go to the dried coriander as well. And next one gonna be black pepper. Last but not least, cannot forget the sea salt. After adding all these seasoning, we use the spray oil to spray on top. Now put it into the oven under 200 degrees for 20 minutes.